you're looking for inspiration to create your own custom e-commerce shop, then you are in the right place. I will show you a system that we built for our client Swiss Auto, which is fully customizable e-commerce platform where you bet on cars that are being scraped from multiple different platforms. This is a landing page of the website where you are not logged in as a user yet. As you see here, you have 4 steps to do. So you can create the accounts to gain access to the platform. Once you create the account, admin of the Swiss Auto needs to activate your account so you can start bid on the cars. Once you bid on the cars and win the actual auction, Swiss Auto will take care of the transportation of the car as well as all of the documents that will be delivered for you. Here you see the most popular auctions. You can go through them or you can directly go to see all of the auctions. Right now we are on the main page where we can see cars. There's a calculator that you can use, so you can always calculate how much it will cost you to actually get a car. You can search for the car. Let's say I'm interested into Audi S5. I can click here. I can bid. I already bid it here. I can add this car to likes. I can see different pictures of this car. And I can read all of the data that is associated to the car. I can also translate, if needed, for different language. I have my own profile where I can see actually my bids, I can see the auctions that already ended, so my history. We are working with our client already for 2.5 years, and this is ongoing work. So if you're interested into long-term collaborations as we are, then Deltologic is the right partner for you. If you're interested in building custom software solution from scratch, then simply submit the form or contact us directly at contact@deltologic.com. We are looking forward to working with you.